Mastering passive voice. Choosing between have and get in causative passive voice. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning journey. In this video, we're going to dive deep into an exciting aspect of the English language, the causative passive voice. We're focusing particularly on how to choose between using have and get. These two words might seem simple, but they can really transform your English fluency when used correctly. The causative passive voice is used when someone or something causes an action to happen, but the actual performer of the action is not necessarily important or known. This form is usually constructed using have or get plus object plus past participle. For example, I had my car repaired, or I got my hair cut. Remember, when we use the causative passive voice, we're focusing on the result of the action more than who performed it. When we use have in the causative passive form, it often indicates that the subject arranged for someone else to do something. There's a certain level of planning or intention involved. For example, I had my car washed. This sentence implies that I arranged for someone to wash my car. On the other hand, get is used in the causative passive voice to suggest a more informal scenario or that some effort or persuasion was needed to cause the action. For instance, I got my brother to wash the car. Here, I might have persuaded or convinced my brother to wash the car. So how do we decide whether to use have or get? It all comes down to the context and nuance you wish to communicate. If the action was planned, and a service was paid for or arranged in a more formal way, have would be more appropriate. If the action required persuasion or effort, or it was done in a more casual, informal situation, then get would be the better choice. And that's a wrap. Understanding the subtle differences between have and get in causative passive voice can add a whole new level of sophistication to your English. We hope this video was helpful and encourages you to practice using have and get in your everyday conversations. Remember, the key to mastering English, or any language, is practice. So don't be shy. Get out there, have some fun with English, and until next time, keep learning.